Good morning and welcome all. Today we will discuss the clinical trials and their phases. Let's get started. The clinical trials are the research studies performed in a people that are aimed to evaluating the medical intervention. This is the definition of the clinical trial, or the aim of clinical trial is to compare the response of new treatment with the existing one or the placebo. So in a clinical trial we have a different phases. Generally we have a four phases. So this column will represent the number of the phases, and this column will represent the name of the phases, and this column will represent the number of patient and the volunteers taken in the clinical trials, and this column will represent the outcome of the different phases. So let's get started with one by one phase. Phase 1 is known as a human pharmacology phase. So in this phase we take 25 to 100 healthy volunteers, but there is one exception. If we evaluate the cytotoxic or antiretroviral drugs, so here we take the patient, not the healthy volunteers. So this is the one exception here. If the drug is not cytotoxic or not the antiretroviral, then we take the healthy volunteers here. So in this phase we will evaluate the MTD, that is maximum tolerable dose, safety and PK and the PD properties of the drug. So this is all about the phase 1. Second is phase 2. This phase is the first phase in generally in a patient. So this phase is also known as a therapeutic exploratory phase. Phase 2 is generally divided into phase 2A and phase 2B. In phase 2A, the number of patient will be from 20 to 200, and in phase 2B number of patient is from 50 to 300. So phase 2A is generally designed to assess the dosing requirement, and phase 2B is generally designed to assess the study efficacy. Along with that, we also evaluate the dose efficacy relationship, duration of the therapy, and the therapeutic window. So this is all about the phase 2. Next is the phase 4. Phase 3. Phase 3 is generally known as the therapeutic confirmatory phase. In this, number of patient is equal to or more than 5,000. So in this phase we evaluate or we confirm the therapeutic efficacy, safety, along with special property of the drugs. So this is about the phase 3. Next is phase 4. Phase 4 is known as post-marketing surveillance phase. So in this large number of patient we will target. So in this it is generally done to know the rare and the long-term adverse effect of the drug. So this is the four phases of the clinical trials. There is one more phase, phase 2, phase 0. This is not a mandatory phase, but some of the pharma companies do this phase to evaluate the preliminary PK data of the drug. So this is all about the clinical trials, and this is all brief about the different phases of the clinical trials. Two more terms. First is INDA and second one is NDA. So the INDA stand for the investigational new drug application. Generally it is filed after the preclinical trials and before the clinical trials. And next is NDA. NDA stands for new drug application. It is filed after the completion of the phase 3 clinical trials. So this is brief about the clinical trials and their phases. Thank you.